What's all this about?
I go for this. This is all snow.
Oh.
That's all snow on the top of the roof.
Oh.
Just a little bit. But not much. These are decks.
Oh, yeah.
This one doesn't have a door.
No door in there?
No, that's silly.
What is that, a porch or a deck?
A deck.
Yeah, it's a deck.
No door.
Where's the church?
This is the church, and now in the church. No deck. This is no door for this. No door. That's silly.
That's great.
That's silly.
Yeah.
See?
Should have a door, shouldn't it?
Yeah, but that's silly.
Very nice, though. It looks pretty good, huh? Where's the snow?
Here, a little bit.
On the roof?
Yeah. Here. Down.
Wow, Mommy went all out.
Here.
A lot of snow. It's going to be a lot of snow this winter?